Auntie Sheet. There's your Nico. I just fed him. He had a couple of, actually he had 30 minutes of breastfeeding. And now he is so tired. Such a little piggy. Nicholas. What's going on, bud? What's going on? What's going on? So cute. He's so cute. Oops. Alright. It's hard to hold him in one hand and take a video of him on the other hand. He's smiling too. He's smiling, Daddy.
He always does that when he has the gas.
Don't throw the box away.
Thank God for that. Stupid brat.
Hmm?